Hey guys, welcome to Bro Smart, and in this video I'm going to talk about some harmful apps that you need to remove now. So let's get started. So you have heard of Cheetah developers. It develops apps like storage cleaner, battery saver, and a ton of apps that usually do nothing. These so-called battery cleaning apps will display animations to show you guys that it is actually working so hard to extend your phone's battery life. Just like this, the storage cleaner apps also just clean recent caches stored by the apps, and that's it. There is nothing rocket science behind it. But the truth is that in reality, these apps will eat your battery, take some space, and uses a lot of RAM. They will show a ton of ads, then collect your data from your phone, and it has been proved. Google removed some of the Cheetah's top downloaded apps with more than 200 million downloads from Google Play Store. So if Google removes it from their own app store, then I think you should definitely remove these apps from your phone too. These apps may record your phone calls because when you use the app for the first time, it will ask for the call and phone book permissions. Also, they can take pictures by enabling the camera permission. Now, a cleaner app doesn't need a phone book or camera permission to clean RAM or extend your battery life. And that's where it gets fishy. Most modern phones have this function to their system, which makes these apps useless. UC Browser is another most popular browsing app for Android. Believe or not, it is leaking your internet surfing data like the websites you visit, images, personal detail, and bookmark details to its Chinese servers. And oh yeah, after these, there are a ton of advertisements. Each and every page from the home page, absurd videos again with ads and whatnot appears. Instead of using these ad congested user interface, you should definitely go for the clean and safe browser like Google Chrome and Opera Mini. Google does store data, but it rarely leaks. And yeah, if you are using an Android phone, always remember Android is from Google. So yeah, Google has your data. So if you don't want Google to store your data, then don't use your phone. That's the only advice. For example, a user's IMSI number, IMEI number, Android ID, and Wi-Fi MSE address was sent without encryption to Umeng, an Alibaba analytic tool, and that user's geolocation data, which is GPS data, to the same company. ES File Explorer amazingly is one of the most popular file explorer app out there. Honestly, I used to use it when it was on Google Play Store, but now it became dangerous. The free version has been pumped full of bloatware and adware, and it displays pop-ups to download additional app. It is better to use your phone's inbuilt file app. It is fast, secure, and definitely ad-free. If your phone doesn't have a file manager, then use Google Files. A lot of people know about this. How can I make this video without adding Facebook and other social media apps? I personally use the Facebook Lite because the official Facebook app and the Messenger app takes so much space, like 1 to 2 GB. Instagram alone takes over a GB space. These apps consume a lot of phone's battery and a hell amount of RAM in the background, and also makes the phone slow. So don't blame your phone's manufacturer if you have installed these apps. Then comes the Facebook's data collection and leakage. Just recently, Facebook sold millions of user data, and after reading this news, I get why people call it a dangerous app. You should also avoid the free movie apps that you will find on the Play Store. These apps seem to be helpful, but most of them will redirect to a website using your web browser, and from there, they will ask to download another app to download movies. I know it is very confusing, but it is the reality. I use some of these apps and it did the same. If this continues, slowly dangerous apps will start getting installed on your phone. I think I don't have to explain what is the aftermath. So that's why you should avoid these suspicious so-called free movies and TV shows apps at any cost. Well, that was my video guys. If you enjoyed watching this video, then smash the like button and also subscribe to ProSmart for more interesting videos just like this one. Also, definitely let me know in the comment section which app do you think is the most dangerous. So see you next time.